Today I'm sharing some of the amazing new items you can choose for your fall box. This is all about customization number 3. Make sure that you stick around until the end because I have a code to help you save some money on your box. You may also see an Easter egg from customization that has not been revealed yet, so comment down below if you notice it. Also, shout out to Linda Love, my #1 fan from last season. This episode's for you, Linda. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the Vegamour Dry Shampoo. It's small enough to fit in your bag if you're taking it to work, if you maybe have a fun date, or maybe a trivia night. I don't know what you do. After work, you can use this in between to freshen up. I really like it because it smells good and there's no white cast. So, I don't know how long it's been between a shower day, if there's a little bit of stink. This is smelling good. Wow. It kind of smells flowery. This is also great if you're trying to get some extra volume. It lifts your hair at the roots so you have a nice voluminous mane. So if you want to use it, you just have to shake it well and hold 4 to 6 inches away from your hair and spray it directly onto the root. Then you're going to massage it into your roots and style your hair as usual. Coming up next is the Vegamour Dry Shampoo. These are the Love AJ Carmella hoop earrings. You may remember this shape from a previous box. We're bringing them back in silver. They were previously gold, so now you have both. This petite hoop is very Hailey Bieber, clean girl aesthetic, and it's great for stacking if you have multiple ear piercings like I do. I'm just so excited to wear these, and I'm just gonna walk into the office and my supervisor Bria is gonna say, wow, Jordan, those earrings look so good on you. Like, you're so beautiful and smart. Let's give you a raise right now. I could wear these on a date, and I think it would be one of those things where you're on a date and the waiter comes over and is like, oh my God, you're beautiful. Like, I've never seen someone wear earrings so beautifully. And then my date is gonna be like, whoa, I didn't realize that I was with a stunner over here. This is the Youthforia BYO Blush. Bring your own blush. No, what does BYO stand for? Bring your own blush. Okay. So this is the world's first color-changing, universally flattering blush oil that reacts to your skin's pH to give you the perfect blush. So I'm learning something right now. Apparently this is the color that I should be buying or wearing all the time. It's a lot pinker than I thought. It is made with castor oil, which hydrates and nourishes your skin. It's really fun, and it's a secret magic trick because in the bottle it's green, and then you put it on your hand and it's pink. This is like a grown-up mood ring. Another fun fact, it can also be used on your lips. I feel like the makeup girlies say it's good to use the same like blush color on your lips and your cheeks because it creates a more cohesive, more natural looking makeup look. So I'm gonna be using this all fall. Here we have the Living Proof Wooden Boar Bristle Hairbrush. That's a mouthful. Say that 10 times fast. Living Proof Wooden Boar Bristle Hairbrush. The boar bristles in the brush can help to spread hair oils from the scalp to the ends of your hair. It will keep your hair looking nice and shiny by distributing those oils. I'm loving this blue design on the back. I grew up watching a lot of Turner Classic Movies, and I feel like all of the ladies in the Hollywood classics, before they go to bed, they have to brush their hair like 100 times. I feel like I am gonna use this every day and feel like a early Hollywood starlet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Free People 1809 candle in the scent Lodge. The fragrance notes for the candle are Palo Santo, clove bud, patchouli, vanilla absolute, and black pepper. I've been burning it in my house for the last week, and the vanilla is really what is hitting for me, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really giving Twin Peaks if no one ever died and the town wasn't haunted. You can light this while you're working. You can pretend you're on a mountain vacation. We have had a lot of Free People clothing and accessories in previous sales and boxes, but this is the first Free People home product to be included in a FabFitFun box. So I'm really excited about this. All right, this is the Fekkai Super Strength and Protein PowerBond Mist. The name alone, Super Strength Protein PowerBond Mist, tells you that this is gonna be your ultimate security guard this fall against frizz. It protects your hair in up to 450-degree heat. It also protects your hair against environmental pollutants. This is perfect for all hair types. However your hair has been damaged, whether it's by heat products, by the sun, this is gonna be your savior this fall. You can use it 1 to 3 times a week, and let's find out what it smells like. Ooh, kind of smells a little bit like a candy, but it's not too strong. It's just a nice mist. So to use it, you're gonna shake it, you're gonna spray it in either damp or dry hair from root to end. You don't have to rinse it, and then you're just gonna style your hair as usual. What hairstyles are you gonna be doing this fall? Let me know in the comments below. This is the Silked Satin Travel Pillow Sleeve. I will say I did read about the product online, and they were saying that satin is supposed to stay cool all night, and I was kind of like, is that true? And then I have to tell you, I wore a turtleneck and pants to work today, and it is really hot in the office. I am a little bit schwitzy, and I put this on my lap, and actually it is nice and cool. So I'm really excited. If you're a hot sleeper, this is going to be your best friend. It prevents bedhead, hair breakage, dry and frizzy hair. It's hypoallergenic. It prevents skin creases, fine lines, and skin irritations. Also, it is perfect for travel because, as you can see, it doesn't have ends so that you can put it over any pillow. So if you're staying at an Airbnb, a hotel, a friend's house, you're gonna be able to put this over whatever pillow they have, and you're gonna be able to bring a little piece of home with you everywhere you go. I also love this sage color. I mean, I don't know for you, but for me personally, this is really my color. So I'm excited to just look like Sleeping Beauty. Just picture me sleeping. For a full look at all of the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your fall box. And the code I promised in the beginning is Fall Close-Up. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season. Bye.